Hello, and welcome to this section of our course focused on mastering telephone English. Did you know the very first telephone call was made nearly 150 years ago, back in 1876? It's fascinating to think how Alexander Graham Bell's invention has shaped communication as we know it. Interestingly, judging by Bell's first words over the telephone, it's safe to say even he could have benefited from a bit of training in telephone communication skills. But why are telephone skills still important in today's fast-paced, tech-driven business world? With the prevalence of websites, emails, apps, and even AI chatbots, some might wonder, why bother with a phone call? Despite advancements in technology, the telephone remains a critical tool in business, and here's why. A phone call provides a human touch that no email or chatbot can replicate. By engaging directly, you can build meaningful rapport with clients, customers, or colleagues. It's a powerful way to establish trust and foster long-term relationships. Unlike written communication, a phone call allows you to use tone to convey your emotions. Whether it's enthusiasm for a new idea or empathy during a challenging situation, your voice adds a layer of understanding and connection. Emails require time for drafting, sending, and awaiting a response. In contrast, phone conversations happen in real time, enabling instant problem-solving and decision-making, a huge advantage in a business environment. For many, answering or making a phone call can be nerve-wracking. The unknown element, who's calling, what they might need, or their tone, can cause anxiety. This course is designed to help you overcome that fear, boost your confidence, and improve your telephone communication skills. Today, we'll focus on the essentials of answering and making business calls. When you pick up a business call, it's essential to reassure the caller that they've reached the right place. Providing clarity right from the start sets a positive tone for the interaction. Here's an example of how you can answer professionally. Hello, Business English Academy. This is Alex speaking. Hello, Business English Academy. Alex here. How can I assist you today? A clear introduction ensures the caller feels welcomed and knows who they are speaking with. When making a business call, it's equally important to identify yourself and your purpose. This establishes clarity and professionalism right away. For instance, "Hi, this is Alex from Business English Academy." "Hello, my name is Alex. I'm calling from Business English Academy regarding a training inquiry." If you need to speak to a specific person or department, don't hesitate to make your request politely. "May I speak with Lisa Smith, please? Could you connect me with the marketing department? Is it possible to speak to someone in finance?" Polite and precise requests help streamline communication and make the conversation more effective. Using the phone as a business tool offers numerous advantages. Whether you're dealing with customers or colleagues, it enables quick problem solving, builds stronger relationships, and adds a human element to professional interactions. I hope this session has given you the confidence to embrace telephone communication in your daily work. In the upcoming lessons, we'll dive deeper into strategies to become an even more effective communicator on the phone. Let's continue this journey together, and I look forward to seeing how your skills grow. In the next lesson, we will focus on taking and leaving messages. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.